Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm giving a tutorial on how to download Mandelbulb 3D. First type in the name of the computer software. Then click on the official website of Mandelbulb 3D.
This is what it should look like. This is another software where you can download the latest software, but it just depends. It worked for me once and never again. After clicking the software page, you will see a list of versions. Download the latest here. In the upper right-hand corner, the software will begin downloading. Give it a second, it may take a minute or two depending on your connection. Open up the downloaded file as soon as possible. First, you will need to extract the files in order for Mandelbulb to run properly, usually. Once you finish extracting all 800 plus files into a zip folder, you will then scroll and click on the application that says Mandelbulb 3D. Click it, run it, then voila. Play with it a bit. Thank you for watching and leave a comment if you have any questions.